Hi, welcome again to my page. So in today's video, I'll be explaining my day 5 project. I built a project on a supermarket a sales analysis that determines their sales performance, their revenue drivers, and the area where business needs to improve. So I'm going to show you the dashboard of my system and walk you through the performance and the insights. Now let's begin by looking at the overall performance. From the dashboard, we can see that the business generated approximately 5 million in revenue from about 5,000 orders with over 20,000 units sold to 989 customers. And the average order value is approximately $1. And why the average customer rating is 3.0 out of 5. Now, looking at the monthly revenue, we can see that there's a fluctuation throughout the month. There's no um, noticeable peaks or decline. But looking at it, I can say that August had the highest, and the lowest is coming from was in the month of February, where a revenue of 378,000 was generated. Now, looking at revenue by category, you can see that electronic is the strongest performing category, generating approximately 1.8 million in revenue and selling about 7,100 cases units. Then the second revenue is coming from the clothing, and it sold about 6,000 units. While the least performing is from the beauty category, and the product sold was 3,000 cases, approximately 2,000 cases. Now, when it comes to revenue by region, the West has it, and we have about 1.33 million, 1.34 million worth of revenue from the West. The the East has the least performance. Also, in discount by product categories, electronics had the highest margin of 31%, while beauty also took the last performing here in product category by discount. When it comes to order by products by payment method, we can see that card is the most used payment method in this supermarket, and it was used for 2,270 orders, while wallet is the least for card or for payment method. When it comes to the quantity sold by region, the West sold 5,260 cases, while the least coming from the South sold 4,804. Though the whole region has close range of sales, that there's the company can actually sell in all the region because there's no noticeable disparity in all the region. So with more effort, they can also make more sales. Finally, we have the rating of 3.0. It's a very big call out, 3.0 over 5. And this is one of the funding that stood out for me. The business is generating strong revenue, good, but customer satisfaction appears to be very low or moderate, and that can raise an important business question. What is driving the gap between strong sales performance and customer satisfaction? Yeah, based on my analysis, I would have few recommendation for the business. So first thing I would suggest that the company should or the supermarket should continue to focus their energy on the categories that is generating more revenue for them, which is the electronic and the clothing. While they also look at what make the home and the beauty category not to yield more revenue. Then secondly, looking at the analysis, I can see that this company is generating enough revenue, but there's a big call out here why their customer satisfaction is just on the average 3 over 5. So the company should investigate why their rating is low. Number three recommendation, which is also my final, is that the company should also look at their profitability when it comes to discount to see if the discount they are giving out is actually bringing the profits to the business. So these are my few recommendations. If you have any other suggestion, Feel free to tell me in the comment section. Otherwise, tell me what done in the comment section. See you again in my next video. Bye.